Okay, people, today we are going to discuss some subtopics related to the lecture 1 of circles. See, here in the last video, we discussed about that general form. General form of the circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. So this one we discussed in the last video. Next, standard form. Standard form. What is the standard form of the circle? This one will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This one is the standard form of circle is equals to 0. Now, in this one, center C is equals to minus g comma minus f and radius r is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. You know, under the root it must be always a positive or 0. So the standard form to represent a circle, now the first condition will be g square plus f square minus c must be greater than or equals to 0, right? This is the first condition. So the standard form to represent the circle, so this condition must be satisfied. Okay, now after this, the above first equation x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. Here what is that center? Center is that a comma b and radius is that r. So this is the center and radius. In this second one, center is minus g comma minus f, radius will be equals to root of g square plus f square minus c. So now I am going to another topic that will be concentric circle. That will be concentric circle. See here, concentric circle. Concentric circles. Concentric circles. What is that concentric circles? See, suppose you take that number of circles if you draw like this one. Number of circles if you draw like this one. Minimum 2, maximum n circles you can draw that. If all circles will have same center and radius is the different. This type of circles are called concentric circles. So here you know that the standard form of the circle is that what? X square plus y square plus 2 into gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form. Now how many concentric circles can be right to this one? That means by changing the constant, you can get that many concentric circles you can get, because the center is the same. Center same means here the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, these two must be same. The first two terms is always, that is the common form. So to get that concentric circles, you have to be change that constant value. So let it be, you take, what is that formula? X square plus y square plus 2 into gx plus 2 into fy plus c is equals to lambda is equals to 0. So here in this one you are changing that constant in the given equation. Here what is that constant? Lambda is the constant. So what do you say the conclusion? When we have any circle equation, how to write the concentric means they will be differ only in their constant. So simple conclusion will be concentric circles will differ in their constant only. That is the concept of the concentric circles, right? Now we will see that one example based on this one. One example based on this one. So let me take this one. Equation of a circle, equation of a circle, concentric, equation of a circle concentric with x square plus y square minus 2 into x minus 4 into y plus 3 is equals to 0 and passes through a point, that point 1 comma 2, passes through a point 1 comma 2. So what is its meaning? Say according to definition, this one is the given equation. What is the circle concentric with the given one? That will be differ only in their constant. X square plus y square minus 2 into x minus 4y plus lambda is equals to 0. Now here the unknown value is lambda is the unknown value. So to find this one more condition in that question is what? That circle, concentric circle passes through a point 1 comma 2. Passes through means a circle passes through a point means that point will be lies on the circle. So that means you take the given point as 1 comma 2. Now it lies on means it will be satisfy this equation. Therefore 1 whole square plus 2 whole square minus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 2 plus lambda is equals to 0. Now this one is that 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 8 plus lambda is equals to 0. So here 1 plus 4 is that 5. 5 minus 2 plus 3. 3 minus 8 minus 5. Minus 5 plus lambda is equals to 0. From this, what is that lambda value? Lambda is equals to 5. So now you got it that unknown value lambda. This one substitute in the above equation. We will get x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0. So this one is the required equation of the circle concentric with the given circle. Okay, so I hope that everyone is understand the concept of the concentric circles. Thank you for watching this video. Please all of you subscribe this one.